Hi everyone, today in this video I will be discussing about DirectX 12. The question is whether you can download and install it. The answer is simply no, because DirectX comes preloaded with your Windows. Now let me show you the version of DirectX installed on my PC by going to DXDIAG. Here you can see my DirectX version is 12. Now moving further, see my Windows version. You can see that it is on 22h2. I am not even on the latest version of Windows 11, but still I am having DirectX 12. Now the question is how you can upgrade to DirectX 12. To do that, simply go to your Windows settings. Click on Windows Update and simply check for updates, because this is the only way you can upgrade to DirectX 12. There are no other setup files of it. Moving ahead, you can search for optional features. Click on it. Now from here, click on view features, and in the search box here, search for graphics, and you will get this graphics tool option. As you can see, this will add a DirectX graphics tool support to DirectX. Simply click it, click on next and add it from here. Now wait for the installation process to finish. So this will provide a support to your DirectX. As a last step, go to your browser. I'll give this link in the video description. Simply copy it, paste it in your browser and hit enter. Once you are in the web page, simply download the tool and run it. Now accept the license agreement and click on next. Uncheck this option and click on next to install. So my suggestion is, do not use custom or modified Windows ISOs for installing Windows. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.